Natural weight loss is a healthy and safe way to lose weight. It usually involves making small adjustments to your diet, exercise routine and lifestyle. 1. Practicing the right eating habits. Write up meal plans. When you're trying to change your diet and eat more healthfully, planning out your meals can be helpful. Measure your portions. Calorie counting, limiting certain food groups or restricting carbs or fat isn't always an easy diet plan to follow or all that natural. Eat a balanced diet. Eating the right foods will go a long way towards helping you lose weight and keep it off. Consume 3 to 4 ounces of protein at each meal. Protein is an incredibly nutrient in your diet. It also helps keep you satisfied, which may help support your weight loss. Aim for at least 5 servings of veggies and fruits. These will provide you with many of the nutrients you need for very few calories. Go for whole grains. The grain group includes a large variety of foods. Choosing 100% whole grains can add fiber, protein and other essential nutrients to your diet. Indulge in moderation. Don't start obsessing about counting calories and punishing yourself by never eating any sweets or fatty foods again. Drink water. Keeping hydrated has many benefits when it comes to losing weight. In addition, stay well hydrated helps support a healthy body. 2. Creating healthy habits. Make slow changes. Trying to change everything at once is going to completely overwhelm your system and make it difficult to stick to the changes you're trying to make. Set achievable goals. Once you have made the decision to lose weight, set some realistic and achievable goals that you can follow. Exercise regularly. Getting into a regular exercise routine can help support your weight loss and improve your overall health. Get enough sleep. Not getting enough sleep worsens your overall mental and physical health and may make it harder to shed pounds and to keep them off. 3. Avoiding common weight loss mistakes. Skip fad diets. There are literally hundreds of diets and weight loss schemes on the market promising quick weight loss in short periods of time. These can be unsafe, unhealthy and hard to follow long term. Ditch diet foods. Studies have shown that if you're craving a treat, eating the fat-free, sugar-free or diet versions may trigger you to eat more. Eat mindfully. People who are distracted while they eat, they're watching TV or reading a book, or surfing the internet, report being less satisfied than people who pay attention to what they're eating. 4. When to seek medical treatment. Ask your doctor before beginning any new diet or exercise plans. Talk to your doctor if you aren't losing weight after making changes. Ask your doctor if your medication may be causing weight gain. Work with your doctor to create a personalized diet and exercise plan. Consider taking medication to help you lose weight, if your doctor prescribes it.
If you are interested, please click on the link below the video to watch the full content.